Hello everyone, good morning my dear student. Today I am Ish Priya and I welcome you all here on this online platform, and today I am going to discuss about maths. You can see here our today's topic is trigonometry. I hope this content will be useful for you all. Okay, you can see here there is a one Cartesian plane. This is a Cartesian system. This horizontal line is called x-axis and this vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, this range is 0 to 90 degree and this range is 90 to 180 and this range is 180 to 270 and this is a range of 270 to 360 degree. You can see here one code is written here, A, S, T, C. A implies all the trigonometrical ratios, S implies sine and their reciprocal cosec. Okay, and the T implies tan and their reciprocal cot, and the C implies cos and their reciprocal sec. Okay, so you can see here this is in this quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is second, third, and this is fourth quadrant. You can see in this quadrant the range of this quadrant is 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. So for all the trigonometrical ratios, the value of 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta will be lying in this plane, in this quadrant, and they all will be positive. They all will be positive. And one more thing I want to tell you, that in case of 90 and 270, the ratio will change into their complementary ratio. Like sine convert into cos, sec convert into cosec, and cot convert into tan, or tan convert into cot. So as we say the sine 90 minus theta, so sine 90 minus theta, that means sine convert into their complementary angles, complementary ratio, that is cos, and the answer will be with the positive sign. So sine 90 minus theta will convert into cos theta. Similarly, in case of 360 and 180, the ratio will not be changed. Okay, the ratio will be same. Like sine 360 plus theta will be equal to sine theta. Okay, now we will move further. In the very next page, I have written some values. You can see the complementary angles. For the sine theta, it can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Okay, you can see here the cos gets converted into their complementary ratio, that is sine. Okay, and this is positive value because this cos 90 minus theta will be lying in the first quadrant. Okay, similarly other ratios are also written here. Cos 90 cos theta, it can be written as sine 90 minus theta. Okay, you can see the other ratios also similarly. Okay, now we'll move further. This is complete table for this change. Okay, you can see here the alpha is equal to these angles, and all the trigonometrical ratios are written here. For example, the sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Okay, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Only cos or sec, cos and their reciprocal, cos and sec, only these two ratios can absorb this minus. Other will show this minus. Like here you can see tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. If alpha is equal to 90 minus theta, that means all the ratios will lie in the first quadrant. For this, cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta, as I already explained. In case of 90, the sine gets converted into their complementary ratio, and cos also convert into their complementary ratio. You can see here I have written minus sign. You can see cos 90 plus theta convert into minus sine theta. Why? Because the 90 plus theta angle will lie in the second quadrant. Okay, and I already told you that in the second quadrant only sine and cosec will be positive, rest of the ratio will be negative. So cos 90 plus theta will be equal to minus sine theta, because cos will be negative in the second quadrant. Okay, we will focus on this ratio. Okay, we'll focus on this ratio which are going to change, which is going to change, not which is changed value. Clear? You can see all the values, and in case of 180, you can see here the sign remain as sign, cos remain as cos. In case of 360 also, sin remain as sin and cos remain as cos. But in case of 270, it will change into their complementary angles. Okay. Now, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.